Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play instruments in New World. To begin your musical adventure, simply find an instrument in the world and interact with it. You will then enter a performance mode. There are 5 distinct instruments to choose from, including the guitar, flute, drums, bass, and mandolin. Each offers a unique sound and experience. It's a fun way to engage with the game's world and other players. Acquiring your first instrument is straightforward. You can craft them using the furnishing skill, or simply buy one from the trading post. Music sheets, which dictate the songs you can play, are obtained by defeating enemies, opening chests, or purchasing them from other players. There are 4 tiers of instruments, with higher tiers providing better performance bonuses and a more refined sound for your musical endeavors. Performing an instrument involves a fun, rhythm-based minigame. You'll need to hit the correct notes as they scroll across your screen to achieve a good score. Successful performances reward you with musical experience, which levels up your skill and powerful temporary buffs. These buffs can significantly boost your gathering speed, crafting efficiency, or even your overall luck for a period of up to 90 minutes. To truly master instrument playing, consistent practice is key. The more you play, the better your timing will become, leading to higher scores and greater rewards. Don't hesitate to perform with other players. Group performances offer bonus experience and even more potent buffs for everyone involved. Explore all 5 instruments and the many music sheets available to discover your preferred style and maximize your enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.